Here is Daryl's story. Daryl dragged his feet as he arrived home after another grueling 12-hour shift at the welding factory. His body ached from the physical labor, and his eyes burned with fatigue. As he entered the house, his young daughter ran up to greet him. "Daddy, you're home!" she exclaimed, wrapping her little arms around his legs. Daryl forced a smile, but his heart sank. Working 6 to 7 days a week, he barely had any time to spend with his family. "I'm missing out on so much," he thought despondently. But with bills piling up, he felt trapped in this exhausting cycle. Then, one fateful day, Daryl's world came crashing down. After 14 loyal years at the factory, he was laid off without warning. Suddenly unemployed and with no savings, Daryl found himself living out of his car for 3 months, struggling to make ends meet. It was during this rock-bottom period that a glimmer of hope emerged. Scrolling aimlessly on his phone one night, an ad for the passive daily pay program caught his eye. Financial freedom through digital marketing? Daryl read skeptically. But with nothing to lose, he decided to attend an introductory webinar. As he listened to the inspiring stories of others who had transformed their lives with this program, Daryl felt a newfound sense of determination. If they can do it, so can I, he resolved. In January, Daryl took a leap of faith and joined the passive daily pay, diligently following the training and putting in the work. And his efforts paid off almost immediately. "I can't believe this," Daryl exclaimed, his eyes wide with disbelief. In just the first 2 weeks, he had made an incredible $5,000. But that was just the beginning. The next week, he made almost $8,000. And by March, working just 2 hours per day from the comfort of his home, Daryl had earned a staggering $33,700. With tears of joy streaming down his face, Daryl rushed to pay off his car loan early, a weight lifted from his shoulders. "This program has been a lifeline for me and my family," Daryl shared during a program webinar, his voice thick with emotion. "After losing everything, I never imagined I could rebuild and achieve this level of success so quickly." As Daryl looked towards the future, he felt a sense of hope and excitement he hadn't experienced in years. Gone were the days of soul-crushing 12-hour shifts and missed family time. Thanks to the passive daily pay, he had regained control of his life and secured a brighter future for himself and his loved ones.